Another whopper by Michael. Let's hope your thing's alright. Oh, it's come out again.
No, it hasn't.
Oh, isn't it?
No, it's in there now. That's alright, I'm holding it.
Bit of elastic coming out. Can you see that big green elastic? Not as pretty as my pink.
I nearly put pink elastic on it, but it's gone snapping every time I've had a knot. It's not as big, but it's a fair size one.
It looked a bit pinky, like it could be a mirror carp.
I think it was another common.
Just pull in.
Hmm.
He's a clever boy.
Sorry?
He's a clever boy.
Hi. Well, 5 minutes after the £11 7-ounce carp, into another one. It's still a nice sized one. It's not as big, but it's
Bit of a tiddler in comparison. That's a long one.
Put the net down. Oops, again.
These dog biscuits are very luring, aren't they? They like them.
Okay, there you go. It's funny, this one feels so light compared to the last one.
You want your waistling?
No, that's right. Oh no, so I'll put it in this. Not space now, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's a good thing about those
The stalls.
stores. Yeah.
Well, I was just thinking, that was the last times we've done the evening ones. We only had the stalls, didn't we? It's so powerful. It's risque. That's a big one, darling. You want a picture as well? Yeah?
Yeah.